Constitution.
Okay, I just want to interrupt for a second.
Yes.
You were asked just now whether any order has been passed in the petitions or the applications filed by the other parties with respect to the seats, reserved seats,
Yes.
And you said no order has been passed.
No order has
But
been.
they were heard along
No,
with
no, no.
this. There is an
Recalling the
order.
independents.
They have allowed their petitions. They have said that they are partially allowed. They have allowed it, so they have passed an order.
No, no, I'm saying they've not passed any order on the prayer that the independents joining the petitioners should be recalled. They've not passed any order. That was also specific prayer.
तो उसके बाद ही उन्होंने पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी डिक्लेयर किया ना नोटिफिकेशन में उनको
जी
एसआईसी को तो बाद में तो एलोकेट कर
जी
दिया ना।
उससे पहले भी डिक्लेयर किया था, उसके बाद भी डिक्लेयर
ऑर्डर में ये नहीं है कि द इंडिपेंडेंट्स कैन नॉट ज्वाइन और कुड नॉट ज्वाइन
नहीं है,
एसआईसी
नहीं सी, नहीं,
ऐसा नहीं है
नहीं,
ऑर्डर में
नहीं
उनकी
है।
प्रेयर हो सकती है बट देयर इज नो
ऑर्डर में नहीं है। जी जी बिल्कुल सही, बिल्कुल सही। Number 3, whether any political party could be allocated reserved seats disproportionate to their representation based on the total number of general seats secured by them. Number 4, whether there is constitutional absence or silence about a situation in which there are leftover reserved seats which cannot be allocated to any party either because of disentitlement or disproportionality. If so, how can this be resolved? So these are the...
Can I just ask a few clarifications?
Ji.
In 1, you mentioned parliamentary political party. In 2, you mentioned parliamentary political party.
Yes.
In 3, you mentioned political party. And in 4, you mentioned party. Is there a distinction between the 3 terms or not?
Sir, in Article 63A, a distinction is made between parliamentary party and political party. So, any political party can have a parliamentary political party, and a parliamentary political party would necessarily be a political party, but you could have a situation where because a political party does not contest the election, there is no parliamentary party of that.
Does the Constitution distinguish the 2 terms?
Yes, in one of the provisions,
refer to
63A, sir.
So I know why you use two terms differently.
Yes, because
because is not. Let's read the Constitution. There is no because.
Ji.
Which provision is this?
63A.
It uses the term parliamentary party.
Ji, ji.
It doesn't use the word parliamentary political party. So I just want, in a court of law, we have to be very precise. So please, should I delete the word political
जी
party?
आप कर दें बिल्कुल
No, you say it, I'll delete it.
जी आप कर दें.
Okay.
This is
so
only
there is no term parliamentary political party in the Constitution.
जी.
Okay, now we have parliamentary party and political party.
जी.
And please refer to the 2 terms where they've been used in the Constitution.
63A.
This is parliamentary party.
Disqualification on ground of defection, etc. If a member of a parliamentary party of candidates for reserved seats within the schedule of the ECP, there is no dispute about that. I'll come to this.
Why are you using the word there is no dispute? Why don't you just make a statement they did not contest, full stop?
Yes.
I'm saying dispute, who's dispute?
No. They did not. I make that statement. 11. When, this is important, sir. 11. When the petitioner applied for reserved seats, other people, other political parties like PMLN, People's Party Parliamentarian, and ये गलत लिखा हुआ है दोबारा PMLN, this is PML, MQM, etc. and individuals and individual candidates also applied to the ECP for the allocation of the additional seats जो SIC ने अप्लाई की थी to be allocated to them. ना सिर्फ उन्होंने ये प्रेयर की बल्कि they also made a prayer that जो independents जिन्होंने petitioner को join किया है उनको recall करवाया जाए. They have joined wrongly. And also to recall independents having joined the petitioner /SIC. 12. ECP through order dated 1/3/2024 dismissed the application of the petitioner/SIC for the reserved seats mainly on the ground that it was not entitled to the reserved seats because it did not contest the elections and did not submit the priority list of candidates within the election schedule. These are the two principal reasons which are given. The ECP through the same order dated 1/3/2024, this is by a majority of 4-1, one dissented, allowed the additional allocation of reserved seats to other political parties other than SIC on the ground that these seats cannot be left vacant. 13. The Peshawar High Court through judgment dated 25/3/2024 upheld the majority judgment of the ECP dated 1/3/2024 in the reserved seats issue. So these are the relevant facts. Now I come to the questions which I framed.
Are the documents there which are mentioned in these facts?
Yes, all the documents and some I filed through additional. मैं सवाल पढ़ लूं और फिर मैं
Number 2 पे है nomination papers.
मैं एक सवाल पढ़ लूं सर, फिर मैं उसका जवाब दे देता हूं।
एक फैसल यहाँ पर ये 11 जो आपने फैक्ट कहा है इसकी लास्ट लाइन
जी
आपने नहीं बताया कि इसका क्या।
सर मैं अभी सार पे आ रहा हूँ, मैं 1 मिनट सवाल पढ़ लूं, फिर जो मैंने आपको डॉक्यूमेंट्स कल नहीं दिखाए थे वो मैं सब दिखा दूंगा।
इसका बताया नहीं ना, रिकॉल इंडिपेंडेंट हैविंग जॉइंड।
तो कोई ऑर्डर इसी ने तो नहीं किया है ना?
नहीं, ऑर्डर नहीं है, लेकिन प्रेयर की गई थी।
प्रेयर थी, देयर इज नो
ऑर्डर, नो ऑर्डर।
ECB has not passed any order.
नो ऑर्डर। ठीक है ना सर? आई एम सॉरी, आई थॉट यू वर आस्किंग। आई एम सॉरी, मैं पूरा सवाल आपका नहीं सुना था। आई एम सॉरी सर। सर मे आई रीड द क्वेश्चन सर? Questions. Whether the reserved seats for women and non-Muslims could be allocated to a political party which had not contested the elections on its party platform. In other words, under Articles 51, 6D and E and 106(3)C of the Constitution, the foundational constitutional basis for the allocation of such reserved seats was the total number of general seats of a parliamentary political party in the election and not the contestation or votes obtained in the election. This is my principal argument before your lordship, which I will explain. Number 2, whether the election program dated 15/12/2023 issued in pursuant to Section 104 Election Act 2017 and Rules 92-93 Election Rules 2017 did not apply to a parliamentary political party which did not contest the elections. In other words, aforementioned sections 104 and Rule 92-93 require a different election schedule for a parliamentary political party which only secured general seats on the basis of independents joining it after the elections.